Most accurate forecast with Alana Brophy. Weather rates certified 11 years in a row.
All right, let's head back over for another look at this forecast.
Yeah, storms moving through, Alana.
The snow accumulating in Salt Lake already picked up 1.5 inches in just about the last 30 minutes. This is a live view of the ABC4 Colonial Flag Tower camera. Look at that flag. It's blowing right towards the building. We're freezing. We're dealing with snow. It's starting to stack up, and it's not just us. It's along the Wasatch Front. Check out Magna. It's about 5:45, so about 15 minutes before the show. Thank you, Scott, for catching this. But this is what most of the Wasatch Front is seeing with that heavy band of snow. When a squall comes through, it can create whiteout conditions. Visibility goes down. We deal with winds, which I was up there on the weather porch, and they are whipping. So cold conditions, and on top of that, that accumulating snow. Storm tracker radar sweeping the area, and you can see that band has now turned into a swath of moisture, now impacting the Weber Canyon area and all the way down towards Nephi. So the Ogden Valley tapping into this. So Salt Lake County over into Tooele and Utah County. So this portion of I-15 and I-215 dealing with some really sloppy conditions right now. We knew this would be a commuter special coming through during the commute time, making for tricky travel with winter conditions popping up. Now, we aren't finished just yet, and we know another round of snow on the way. Another band will form. This is all associated with an area of low pressure that moved through Oregon, and we actually watched that front kind of swept through here in just the last hour, turning that rain to snow pretty quickly. And you can see that's really for the northern half of the state. We do have some rain. We saw some lightning over towards Eureka, some mixed precipitation just near Duchesne and towards the Uinta Basin. But all in all, that zest, that healthy snow, it came through with the front, and it's out there right now. We will see travel impacts and road slush potential through 10 a.m. tomorrow. Our mountain routes looking at road snow. That includes the Cottonwoods towards Parley's, Weber Canyon. So a heads up, if you travel those mountain routes, they're going to be rough. How much snow is coming from this storm system? A trace to 3 inches. 1 to 4 on the benches where it's really coming down. North Salt Lake, the Bountiful Bench. We saw video from there. 2 to 5 in our mountain valleys. 3 to 12 for the high country. The Cottonwoods on the high end of this. 4 to 8 for the Wasatch back in the central mountains, looking at the potential of 1 to 4. So this is a quick moving system, but it's packing a punch. We know that the cat will be out at Cherry Peak. Great video coming from Dustin Hansen, where even today, as the snow showers ahead of the front, we're producing some accumulations. We've got heavier snow on the way through about midnight, and this area definitely going to tap into it. It's why that winter weather advisory was posted. It includes the mountains, the Wasatch back, southwestern Wyoming, and the western Uintas, accumulating snow in effect until 5 a.m. tomorrow. Again, mountain routes are going to be tricky for the morning commute, the evening commute, greatly impacted right now by the snow that is out there. Not done. No, we've got an active pattern, folks. FutureCast shows the snow. Here's band number 2. By about 8 p.m., that's going to slide by 9 p.m., just right on the doorstep, hitting the western end of Salt Lake County. So West Jordan, South Jordan, you're looking towards the Daybreak area. Heavier snow coming through there. West Valley was dealing with heavy snow. Just after midnight, that band slides a little further north, so Cache Valley towards Ogden and over the Uintas and Cottonwoods dealing with the snow. Things quieting along the Wasatch Front. High pressure takes over tomorrow, and we're pretty quiet until late day, 8 p.m. Increasing cloud cover from the west. Some snow showers right there on the state line. We get an atmospheric river set up, and that's going to keep us very unsettled for the close of this work week. Valley rain and mountain snow setup. Here we are by Friday at 2 a.m. So it starts in the overnight, and it keeps cranking throughout the day for northern Utah and even down south. We know the rain will move into St. George, and we see warmer temperatures come in with that atmospheric river. So valley rain and mountain snow. Now there's a front late Friday that's going to come on through, and it's going to change things up, bringing the potential for that mixed precipitation. The mountains will see snow. The snow levels will climb, getting to about 8,000 feet, so high up there, which is why we will see valley snow. But here's what you need to know. Friday, Saturday, looking really soggy. So if you're making those plans, heads up there. 30s and 40s for tomorrow. 20s in Vernal, 40s in Delta, 50s in Moab, 50 down there in Cedar, and 62 in St. George. So southern Utah dealing with, well, pretty nice conditions and a warming trend. We get unsettled with the rain rolling in Friday, impacting us Saturday and the potential into Sunday. Look at the warmth, though, to start next week. High 70s. I've missed you. I hope you're well. We won't see them in the north. 40s and 50s, but that means the valley rain, mountain snow setup. Very unsettled with soggy conditions through Sunday. Slight chance Monday, but then Tuesday and Wednesday, yeah, we bring back another storm. So wet weather on the way. The concerns there, that rain on top of snowpack could lead to flooding. We want to be really careful. Right now, though, it's all about the snow. Snow, my goodness, another round. Glenn, Emily, over to you.
Here we snow again.